Hi, if you are coming to the NU Better Life studio from the Hattard area, this is how you can get to the location. So basically I'm just coming out of the road next to Pavi Pama. And I will keep to the right because I don't want to go to Mosta, but I actually want to take the route to Nashar. When I pass by Vella service station, I will stay on the left. And as soon as we leave Mosta, we stay on the left towards Nashar. Just as if we are going to the Nashar Church. We are now in Labour Avenue, and on your right you will be able to start noticing the purple border of the U complex, the YUE complex. We take a turn to the right. And let's just imagine that I found a suitable parking, which I did not so far. This is the U complex from which you can enter and ask for our studio. Thank you and see you soon.